Hey everyone! Have you heard about the recent roller coaster ride of ChargePoint Holdings Inc stock? It's taken a dip of nearly 8% this week. But what if I told you there's a price target that could change everything? Stay tuned, and let's dive deep into what's happening. Okay, let's take a closer look at the news. ChargePoint Holdings Inc., known for its networked electric vehicle charging systems, has seen its stock plummet by 7.94% over the past week. Now, this might raise eyebrows for many, especially given the growing emphasis on electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. But what's the sentiment around this stock? According to the Investors Observer Sentiment Indicator, it's currently bearish. But what does this bearish sentiment really mean? Sentiment, in the stock market context, is a short-term technical indicator. It doesn't necessarily reflect the health or profitability of the company itself. Instead, it's more about the current market mood around a stock. If a stock is trending upwards, it indicates bullish sentiment, and vice versa. This sentiment is influenced by various factors, including news about the company, earnings releases, and other events that could sway the stock in a direction counter to its recent trend. One of the intriguing aspects of sentiment is how it factors in both price changes and variations in volume. A surge in volume typically indicates that the current trend, whether bullish or bearish, is strengthening. On the flip side, a drop in volume can hint at a potential reversal of the ongoing trend. The options market also plays a role in gauging sentiment. By looking at the ratio of calls and puts for a stock, one can get insights into investors' bets on future price changes. So, what's the current status of ChargePoint stock? As of the last update, the stock was trading at $7.19, a slight decrease from its previous closing price. The trading volume is also on the lighter side, with the stock trading between $6.94 and $7.31. But here's where it gets interesting. ChargePoint is at the forefront of the EV charging infrastructure, a sector that's poised to grow exponentially as the world shifts towards electric vehicles. Their product lineup spans across home, commercial, and fast-charging applications, catering to a wide range of consumers. While the majority of their revenue comes from the United States, the potential for global expansion is immense. So, while the stock has seen a dip this week, it's essential to look at the bigger picture. The temporary bearish sentiment could be an opportunity for investors to buy the dip, especially if they believe in the long-term potential of the EV charging infrastructure market and ChargePoint's role in it. Now, let's talk about the upcoming trading session surge signals for ChargePoint stock. We have upward signals at $7.27, $7.47, and $7.64. If the stock price approaches or breaches these levels, it could confirm a bullish move. On the downside, the signals are at $6.90, $6.73, and $6.53. These are the levels to watch out for, as breaching them could indicate a bearish trend. Remember, these surge signals are crucial price points that can give us insights into the stock's potential directional move. It's always wise to keep an eye on these numbers and strategize your trades accordingly. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and drop a subscribe comment below. We'll do our best to respond to each one of you. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think ChargePoint's current dip is a buying opportunity or a sign of things to come? Share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy trading!